Hi! In front of me is TOSCIDO P101, and today I would like to show you how you can use a voice recorder. Begin by locating and opening Sound Recorder app. After that, if you never used it before, select Allow in the pop-up and then click on this gear on the left. Now adjust all of those options however you wish to, like file format, and tap on the back button. To start your recording, click on this red one in the middle. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to the same one. To add a bookmark, unpause your recording first, and then click on this left button. To end and save your recording though, click on this square on the right. Then, to access list of all your recordings, click on the right button, now with 3 lines. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. If you want to rename it, go back, hold it, tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner, select rename option and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with some gibberish. Then tap on save. Lastly, to get rid of your recording completely, hold it as well. But this time tap on this bean next to 3 dots at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!